Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit different. I'm not doing a makeup look. I've already filmed this look and it should be up by now, so I'll put a link somewhere here for you guys to go and check it out. Today I'm really showing you guys what I got for Boxing Day and my birthday. So Boxing Day falls on the 26th of December and then my birthday falls on the 28th of December. We don't celebrate Christmas, so it's fine. I don't get like triple presents. I only get one and then whatever I buy for myself. So everything is in this box. I did find a lot of things. I did expect to find a bit more, if I'm not gonna if I'm not gonna lie, if I'm gonna tell you the truth. But unfortunately I didn't find everything that I wanted, so we worked with what we got. First I'm gonna start with what I got at Boots. So I got this Paco Rabanne perfume gift set, the Olympia one for women. I got this for £41. I think it was on a sale for from 75 or something like that. So this was such a steal. I love this and I'm really happy with it. The thing I do with perfumes is I collect them, so it's a bit weird, but I mean I love perfumes. I got a £100 gift card from my husband for Boots. He knows how much I love makeup and didn't really know what to get me, so he got me that, which is so cute of him. So that was one of them. I also got this Ted Baker gift bag. It's got a body wash, I believe. Let me see. Bear with me. So this gift bag has a it's a toiletries bag. It holds a body wash, body spray and a lip balm. The body spray of Ted Baker I love. I am absolutely in love with. I love it. I got a gift set last year during Christmas and I was never able to find it, and I feel like they bring out their best things during Boxing Day and all of that. So I got this. It was on originally for £22. I got it for 11 because of Boxing Day, so I waited until Boxing Day because I'm not going to gift it to anyone. I don't celebrate Christmas, so it was fine. So, and I thought this was such a cute travel bag, like when I go on travels and stuff, it's just so colorful and so nice. So the body wash, so this is the body wash. I feel like it's in a really nice sized bottle. Usually with gift set they give you like the small one, but I really like this. Like I'll probably keep this until I run out. Oh my god, it just smells so divine. Like it just smells so elegant. I love Ted Baker fragrances. I just think they are literally the bomb, and I just love this, that right there, and the tea. I just think it's just so aesthetically pleasing. Like you could leave it anywhere and it will just look really nice, so I love that. And then the body spray I also think is in a really good sized bottle. So it comes like that, and then it comes obviously like that. I do love this bit as well. I feel like this is a good size as well. It's not too small, and it's not taking the piss with its, you know, how much it contains. And then their lip balm is a bit small, so it is really cute. This is their lip balm. I mean, this is kind of like the container that you would get from anywhere. And it has like a slight vanilla scent. Yeah, like a nice vanilla candy set. Oh yeah, that's actually really, really nice. So I love this as well. I probably won't be using any of these until I run out of everything else. And then they just had like a gift, like sugar paper, which I'll probably keep and like store it somewhere. Am I weird for doing that? I don't know. We'll see. I mean, yeah, I don't know. And then I also love their little like key ring right here. I think it's just so cute, so small. It's just so cute. Like I think it just, like if you wanted to get your wife or girlfriend or sister something, I think this is like perfect. I mean, like I'd be happy with it. So yeah, that's that one. And then I think I've got some other things from Boots. One other thing that I got from Boots from the Ted Baker brand is these nail polishes. I feel like this, I literally got this because of how it looks. I love this. I think it is just so cute. You could leave it anywhere. It's such a statement piece. It's just so, for me, it's just so aesthetically pleasing. So I love that. It's got like a green, a red, a pink, and a little like rose gold glitter. I just feel like it works in the winter, it works in the summer, it works for the festive season. It's just, it works really well. They're good size, they're full size. It's not like one of those test sizes. I love the fact that it's full sized, and I think I paid £6 for this from £12. So I think that was a massive steal. So Ted Baker, I love this year. Then I got this lipstick and lip pencil duo from Sleek. I am using the lip gloss, so that's why it's not there at the moment. The lip pencil, it's okay, it's a bit too light for my liking, and so is the lip gloss. I mix it with the Revlon lip gloss and also the Kiko Milano it's the glitter gloss. So this was £7.50. I got this, I believe, for like £3. I also got these Real Technique brushes. I've opened them and used them. That's why I've just taken them out of the packaging again. I love these. When it comes to eyeshadow brushes, I'm all for it. I don't really shop for face brushes, only because I've got as much as I need. I think the main focus for me personally is eyeshadow brushes. I always struggle to really get the right one for my eye shape, or the right one for like my friend's eye shape or my mum's eye shape, because I do everyone else's makeup. It's a bit, you know, I need to get the best one, the affordable one. I don't want to be spending hundreds of pounds on a brush if it's only going to be for someone else. I mean, I don't want to be spending a lot of money if, you know, all I'm going to do is leave it there and not use it again until the next year or something. It just doesn't work for me. I'd rather be purchasing something that I'll be using over and over again. So these are really nice. They're really soft. They're thick. And I'm excited to see, you know, what kind of looks I can make out of them. So that was a really good steal. I believe I bought these for £8 from £16. So that was a steal, 100% a steal. Morphe, and I got the James Charles palette. You already know that. But I also got the Morphe 35R palette. I believe this was on sale from £25 to £12.50, so I grabbed this. I love the shades in this. I haven't used it yet, just because I'm just trying out different things at the moment. So the shades are like this, and this is my kind of palette. I love these. I love these. You've got your mattes on this side, then you've got your foils on this side. I just feel like it is perfect. It's kind of my kind of palette. I love dark browns. I just think it's just amazing. And then also their packaging is a bit different from what they usually have. It's a bit more like rectangular. It's got sharp edges, whereas the others are a bit more like soft edges. So I really love this. And yeah, we'll see where we can go with this palette. I'm really excited to use this. Yeah, it's really, like, it opened up in Westfield, and I dragged my husband on my birthday to Westfield. I literally said, no, I am getting the James Charles palette today. My sister bought me a Kindle. She is so cute. She came up to me and she was like, Leo, what do you want for your birthday? And I was like, you know what? I'm really after, like, I'm really looking for a Kindle, like a really nice one. She bought me this. I am a massive bookworm. I've got books everywhere, which I need to go through. So I love books. I just think they give you so much knowledge, experience. You basically live in another, like, character's footsteps, and your imagination just goes wild. I think it's amazing. Like, I love books. So this coming in handy when I go to work, and just reading on the train is perfect, because at the moment I read my books on my phone, which is really bad for your eyes. So I'm really excited to use this. I literally haven't used this just because I wanted to film this video. So lame ask me, like, why would you do that? But hey, it's okay. My parents asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I've been after a Daniel Wellington watch for probably a good 2 years. I think they are so simple, so nice. So yeah, no, my dad took me to Debenhams. He made me pick it out and he bought it for me there and then. So he's really cute. He's the best dad in the world. So this is the packaging. I love this packaging. I'm gonna keep the box because I'll probably find a storage use for it, so, or just keep the watch when I go on travels or something. So this is how it comes. The watch I currently use, so it's got a really nice, it's got like a cute rose gold bracelet. I love it. It just has Daniel Wellington in it, and the reason I love this brand a lot is because it's really simple. It doesn't have crystals or any glitter anywhere. This is the watch that I got. So I got the rose gold collection. I just feel like it's so nice. I always thought that it would hurt, like it would pick at my wrist hairs, but it hasn't, so I'm really happy with it. And then it's so easy to close as well, and you can make it smaller or bigger, so I just feel like it just works really well for me. So that's the watch. I just feel like it's so cute. I've been after it for so long. Went into Debenhams the other day and they still have their Boxing Day sales, so I got this Benefit Homemade Hotness gift box. It was £29.50. I got it for £19.66. This is how it is. It's so cute. I literally fell in love. I don't really like pink, but this is so cute. So you open it and they've got a really cute they've got eye makeup tutorials. So it's just really telling you how to apply everything, which is really cute. I think Benefit always do this, which is really nice. This is how it's set in the gift box. Sisters got me some earrings from New Look. They're so cute. My sisters are so adorable. My mum, if you don't know by now, I'm Albanian, so she got me some jewels, some gold jewels. The Albanian culture is a bit more like all about gold, so she got me these, which are really cute. I probably will wear the necklace somewhere when I go back home, but I probably won't wear it in the UK anytime soon. I think I'm just a bit more like silver kind of gal. I like silver and rose gold. Those I'll probably wear to a wedding because then I'll fit in. So thanks, Mum. Got this from TK Maxx for £10, which I thought was a massive steal. It's sturdy, it's nice, and I can put everything on there, and then just really make my bedroom look a bit more nice and a bit more aesthetically pleasing for me personally. So that was nice. I got for Boxing Day and my birthday, so I didn't really go crazy. I did want to shop for makeup and stuff that I needed or that I wanted to try out, so that's why I went out for the Makeup Revolution palette. That wasn't on sale, but I still got that during Boxing Day, just hey. And then also the James Charles palette, that wasn't in sale either, but I really liked the look of it, so I got that. But other than that, like, that's all I've gotten for Boxing Day. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe and comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. Until next time, I hope and wish you all the best. And then I also got this Ted Baker